Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1973 Bronco. It's completely restored with a little over 500 miles on it. 302 automatic transmission, fuel, wheels. It is new, top to bottom. Obviously removable hardtop, custom seats. Sits really nice. Flat black treatment on the hood. Beautiful paint, chrome, stainless, everything. Absolutely no expense spared on this truck. Got a 302 under the hood. Wheel end intake, power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, nice big aluminum radiator, chrome valve covers, got headers leading around to dual exhaust. Electronic distributor. Again, power steering, power brakes, if I didn't say that. It's like a vintage air system. Even right down to the felts, just gorgeous. Custom seats. Floors have been completely rhino lined and painted to match. Custom stereo. Full speaker. No expense spared. 535 miles on the bill. Custom center console. Absolutely gorgeous. The seats are all finished in neoprene, so they're waterproof. Beautiful truck. All new under here. So we got headers leading to a single exhaust. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike at Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.